Welcome back, friends. Here in this lecture, we're going to learn about single sign-on or SSO on Amazon Cloud, which is an identity and security service. So let's start. With a single sign-on, you can centrally manage different access to multiple AWS accounts and business applications. You may be having an application deployed using a website, an Android and iOS app. You can centrally manage authentications and you have to log in using a single account. So what is it? Suppose we have an SSO account associated with different websites and there's an admin account added to SSO. So we need to sign in only a single time. And when we log in with that account, it will be reflected back to other applications or websites at the same time. It makes it easy to centrally manage access to multiple AWS accounts and business applications with just a few clicks. You can enable a high availability SSO without the upfront investment and ongoing maintenance cost for operating your own infrastructure. So you can easily manage those things. So you can add user permissions to all your account in AWS organizations centrally, and you can also include the built-in SAML integrations to many business applications such as Salesforce, Box, Office 365, and more. You can configure wizards, you can create security association markup language integration and extend SSO access to any of your SAML enabled applications. You can use these things for corporate credentials and other things. Before SSO, your things like in this way, you have to provide authentication for the same application running on different machines. But after SSO, when you log into a single machine, it will be reflected back to other machines running the same applications. There are huge benefits for using SSO. You have the centrally managed access to your AWS account. You can manage these things. If you're a developer or an administrator, it will be of huge benefit to you. You can. It is easy to use. No technical details. Not very tough. So it is easy to learn and easy to use with just few clicks. You can create users in SSO or connect to existing directories very easily. It has access accounts and applications from one place. You can handle these things like Box, Salesforce, and Office 365 applications or different BI tools. So how it works, you have to first enable the AWS SSO uh, in the AWS Management Console. Then you have to connect your corporate identities, be it Active Directory or AWS Directory Service. Then you have to grant SSO access to your account and applications. Then you have to manage your permissions centrally. You could do these things very easily. There are various customers benefited from SSO, be it startups or technical giants. They could build it for their SaaS solutions, software as a service, or different kind of things. There are built-in support for AWS accounts and business applications like Dropbox, Slack, Office 365, G Suite of Google, Box, and other things. And of course, all the services of AWS. Then there we have identity as a service solutions for AWS that could be used with a single sign-on. Which simplifies the identity management and access control over corporate information for all your digital business domains. While maintaining a secure environment, you can simplify identity and access management. IAM. You have to provide a single sign-on. You can quickly deploy with or without AWS account as well. It could be integrated with a wide range of services. It has an elastic SSO team. They could be working on different projects or different vendors. The Amazon partner network is huge. Then could be various use cases for SSO. One of them it could be here. Is a typical use case where there's a AWS console having development and production environments running on the cloud, where you could manage permissions to AWS account, permissions SSO access to various Business cloud applications like 365, Dropbox, Slack, and you can also manage custom SAML access, and you could also add on-premise AD Active Directory via the AD connector or AD Trust using Microsoft Active Directory on AWS Cloud. There could be also different use cases as well, which could be using with Amazon Cognito for authentication with third-party tools like Facebook, Yahoo, Google, and more. You could also use those things for mobile app development or web development. You could also be integrated with that. You can also integrate it with LDAP identity store and SSO endpoints with the browser interface and things like that. So this was a brief introduction about Amazon SSO, single sign-on. We can integrate SSO with a wide range of applications to build flexibility and provide your customers or users a better grip and user interface. We will be learning different identity tools. Till then, keep learning and keep moving ahead.